What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Doing the normal thing back out here, doing a little bit of perch hunting and a little bit of halibut hunting. I brought a couple of different Lucky Crafts with me today. Strung on some new 30-pound braid on my Akuma Trio reel. I'll put the link for all the equipment I'm using in the description below. Also, I'm using a Carolina rig with a half-ounce sinker, and I'll use some curly tail grubs. Who knows? Just see what the fish are biting. That's kind of the name of the game, is switching it up. Maybe switch up spots. We will see. Yeah, I'm gonna get right to it. All right, give it a shot with the Lucky Craft first. This is the Sexy Smelt. It's a cloudy day, so I may switch it up to a cherry berry. I know those work well on cloudy days. The tide is coming up. I didn't do the tide very well. Didn't time it out very well, but I just got off work, so that's how we do. I'll be the first to admit, always, nice cast, always, that I am no expert at fishing with Lucky Crafts or Khalisas or anything like this. So, yeah, as always, guys, keep the tips coming in the comments. I really appreciate it every time you do that. I kind of take any help I can get. I'm learning as I go. I've always kind of just, surf the fish the surf for perch. I'm broadening my horizons. Once the season opens up a bit more, I'll get back in the mountains and keep working on my trout game. All right, guys, giving it a try with the old sandworm here. It's a little bit of a crappy hook job, but whatever, should work, hopefully. Just trying this thing out. Like I said, Carolina rig, half-ounce weight. I'm not really aiming for any kind of particular fish today. Of course, a halibut would always be nice, so would a croaker. I'll take perch, I'll kind of take anything at this point. The water was such a churned up mess the last couple of weeks, or week and a half. Kind of glad I'm not pulling weeds off my line and or hook every single time, so. Couple more casts. Getting bites. It's not taking it though. Oh, did I get it? Yeah, I did. I got him. Little perch. Get off the rocks, perch. All right, guys, there you go. Nice little barred surf perch. He choked that hook. I'm gonna have to take a second and get it out. Let's do that. All right, guys, say goodbye, buddy. All right, guys, well, I think I'm gonna bag it for today. The bite basically just died. Been here for a couple hours. I'm not really having a whole lot of luck anymore. You know, you never can tell what turns a bite on and off sometimes. It is what it is. So thanks again for tuning in. If you like what you saw, I'd love to have you subscribe, so please do. Go ahead and leave a comment below if you have any questions or have anything to share. And that'll do it. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks.